Do you want to change your Facebook profile name into single name? You can do it. I will give you a tricks. But firstly, if you are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Let's start the video. Firstly, you have to open your Facebook Lite application and you have to go to the setting and privacy options. Then you have to click on setting option. Here you will see lots of options, but you have to go to the language and region option. Here you have to change the language and you have to select the Tamil Nadu language. So after that, here you have to go to your Facebook profile information. Here you have to tap on the first option, that is your Facebook profile name. Here you will see your Instagram also, but you have to tap on Facebook profile name, and here you will see the Facebook profile and also username, but you have to tap on the first one. Here you have to change your Facebook name and you have to remove your first name and last name also. So I just remove my first name and I write the name which I want to add on my profile. Then I have to remove my last name also. Here you have to give one space, then you will find the changing option. Here you will see this option, you have to click on this option, and in this way you can see that it changed. They will give you a confirmation message. If you want to confirm that, you have to tap on this option. So if you are outside from India, then you have to use VPN option, because it only works on India, so you have to use VPN. So let's say my Facebook profile name change or not. Then I go back to my Facebook profile name, and in this way I changed my language also. So guys, you can see it changed. It's very easy tricks. You can change it also, and you can create a single name on your Facebook profile. Then if you have any question, write on comments box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.